Hello, it is CheapNails, helping you stay frugal with nail art, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing these super cute Christmas water decals. So let's get started. I've already prepped my nails to paint them, and if you want to see a video on that, you can click the I button, but I'm going to take this Wet n Wild base coat and we're going to go ahead and do one coat of it on all of my nails. After my base coat is all dry, I'm going to take this clear nail polish and I'm going to put it on my middle finger and my pinky. Because spoiler alert, I'm going to be painting them red, and sometimes even when I paint my nails with base coat, the red nail polish still stains my nails. So I usually apply one coat of this clear polish and it's a-okay. Okay, now it's time for polish. Here's the red polish that I mentioned before. I'm going to go ahead and paint, which I just mentioned, my middle finger and my pinky with it. I really like this LA Colors Color Last red nail polish. I really like actually the black in that collection. If you ever tried any of the LA Color Last nail polish, like any of those nail polishes, I really like that black. So I went ahead and I did 2 coats of this red nail polish. Now moving on to my next fingers, I'm going to take this LA Colors white nail polish and I'm going to go ahead and apply 2 coats of that to my index finger and my ring finger. After my white nail polish is all dry, I'm going to do one of my favorite things ever and take this Clean Colors white metallic polish and put it over the white. It just makes it look so snowy and beautiful. If you have a metallic white, put it over white nail polish and look at it and tell me if it looks like snow, because it looks like snow. Okay, now it's time for decals. I promised it. I promised decals, and now we'll finally do them. So I bought these wonderful Christmas decals. You get 12 sheets of them off of eBay for 99 cents. I waited a little bit for them to come because I only paid 99 cents for them. So yeah. And on the back of the package, they show you how to apply them. I thought that was useful information, even though none of the text was like readable. It was kind of broken English and then some kind of Chinese, I guess. I don't know. So I'm going to go ahead and take my scissors, cut it open. Then I'm going to pull the decals out and they are just beautiful. There is a plastic lining over the decals, and that's normal for decals. There's always a plastic lining. And they also have these little black markings, so they show you where to cut them into strips, because usually you kind of want to cut them into the little squares that they're meant to be in so they're easier to store. So I'm going to go ahead and take my scissor and I'm going to follow the black lines and I'm going to cut them into perfect little squares. I love it how they added those black lines. That is so helpful for you to cut them into little card sheets. Like, what a great idea. These decals are so amazing. They have snowman and presents and Santa Claus. Okay, after you have cut them, you're gonna have this little pile of decals. Now, like I said before, there are 12 of them. Once you cut them up in the little card sheets, there's 12. And here's the hardest part. Picking decals to put on your nails, because they're all so cute. But you know what? I finally settled. I thought a lot about this, but I finally settled on this snowman and this snowflake, and I think a stocking. Yeah. So let's grab a scissor and let's cut them out. You gotta be really careful when you're cutting these out because they're small, and you're gonna need a smaller scissor. I just grabbed my normal scissor, and it was kind of too big, so I almost cut into the decal. So take it from me. If you have these big decals, please get a smaller scissor to cut them. I had my red scissor. Remember my red scissor I always cut my decals with? I can't find my little red scissor, my little mini red scissors anywhere. But anyways, I cut them out without cutting them. And now we're just gonna need what? We're gonna need water, because of water decals. And also now this is the time that I'm taking off the clear little plastic that's on the decal, because if you don't take that off before you put it in the water, your decal's just going to stick to that and then it's going to be ruined. So make sure that you take that little plastic piece off your decal now, and then you can just place it in some water for like 30 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and place the other snowflake in there, and yeah, I'm going to put them in there. Take off that plastic, put them in there, wait 30 seconds. And then when 30 seconds is up, I take my tweezer. Pardon my tweezers, I know they're kind of dirty. I got makeup all over them. They were in my makeup pouch, so I got mascara and makeup all over them, so please forgive me. Now, these water decals just come right off the card really easy. I've never had water decals that just pop off the card when they're still in the water. So yeah, that's kind of funny. So there you go. I put it on the stamper, and as you can see, it's backwards. So when I stamp it on my nail, it is frontwards, and look at it in there. It's so cute. The snowman is adorable, and these decals applied to my nail perfectly. And I just use my jelly stamper just to apply them because it's so much easier than trying to pick them up with a tweezer and do it. Also, I do blow a little bit on the stamper when the water decal is still on there, because it just helps to, dry it off before you stamp it on your nail. I'm gonna take some of that same red nail polish and just put some dots and frame these water decals, because I think I need to add a little extra. And there we go. Aren't they so cute? But I was like, we need to put glitter on here, so I got some of my red glitter, and I picked out some of the bigger glitters, and I put it over the dots just to make it more sparkly. Now I'm gonna take that red glitter that I just mentioned. Here's what it looks like, and I'm gonna go ahead and just paint that over the nails that I painted red, just to give them a little bit of it, just like a bold statement. I really like putting this red glitter over red polish because I think it just adds a little extra, and I wanted these to be kind of like accent nails and my other nails to have the decals on them, and I think it turned out really well. Okay, after that is done, I'm going to take my quick dry top coat and apply it to all of my nails. I got this quick dry top coat at Dollar Tree for $1, and it is a really good top coat, so that's awesome. Now these decals are so adorable. I will put the link to them down in the description box down below if you would like to check them out. They are so cute. They're not too big, so you have to have a really long nail to put them on, even though I have a really long nail. But if you don't have your nails long or anything, they are a good size. They're small, and they're very easy to apply to your nail, and I just really like them. I have other water decals that are 99 cents, and they're not even as good as quality as these ones. So these are really nice water decals, and I really like them. I definitely recommend them, and they are so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and got some value out of it, and you can click or tap the screen to watch another one of my videos, or click or tap the screen to subscribe. I highly suggest you subscribe because I got a lot of fun Christmas videos on the way coming. So yeah, I'll see you next Friday. Bye!